So hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to test the HP OMEN 15 Ryzen 7 5800H RTX 3060 laptop 2 p.m. So before unplugging from the socket, we have to do some things. So we have to go for battery life. We have to go for the perfect better battery life. And in HP OMEN command center, we are going for balanced and in auto mode. So everything is set and we have to go again. That's the only difference. We have to do it everything manually. I always play online esports games like Apex Legends Squad. I have already posted a video. I'll ping it in here. So I'll put the AMD power saving mode also. So as you can see, it was in esports, there was no limitations. When in power saving mode, it will be some FPS minimum limitations. So this is also in power saving mode. This is my overall gaming setup. So there are too many power drawing things, so I'm going to unplug both my mouse and keyboard. So if you have any devices plugged in this USB, so this USB actually charges the device that I connected this to my phone. So if I unplug this, that's also. So I'm going to unplug this from the socket. So now the battery percentage is set. Now the battery percentage is set. Where is the mouse cursor? Now the battery's percentage is at 100 percentage. I'm going to unplug and put it in maximum battery saving mode, and the brightness and the keyboard light also reduced. So guys, we are not going to perform any high throttling or any hardcore devices. We are just going for YouTube or web browsings, and I have to send some emails to my university and check with my college. So we are going for YouTube streaming and web browsing. Screen brightness to around 50 percentage, less than 50, so you can easily visible. I turned off the keyboard backlit, everything is been plugged out. So this is the time now. We'll see you in a bit, guys. Quick update: if you aren't seeing One Piece, you should start watch One Piece anime. It's getting amazing. I finally caught up with One Piece. I'll not be able to play this video instead of copyright. So if you haven't seen One Piece, you should start One Piece from the one. Now it's at 980 episode something, 987th episode something. Watch it, make sure you watch it, guys. And now I'm streaming it at 1080p, and in around 50 percentage of the audio. I'm not plugged in any mic or headset. Using it raw. That's it, guys. I'll show you after. Battery test after use. So it's the time. So we got our first notification that the battery is at 6 percentage now. We started from 100 percentage, now it's at 6 percentage. So it's 4:53. So it took almost 3:45 3:50 minutes. 3 hour and 50 minutes it run time. So I was streaming YouTube and doing some mails and sending some mails and stuff. So it took almost 3 hour and 50 minutes something. So as you can see, the time now, the time is 4:53 and 5 percentage remaining. If you want more clarification, I can open the task manager. I restarted the lab before starting this. And this is the runtime, almost 3 hour, almost 3 hour, exactly 3 hour without plugins from browsing. It runs 3 hours, and we'll get the first battery notification at 10 percentage that the battery is low. So this is the I restarted before, so the uptime is 3 hours. When we started the recording, it was 2 p.m. When we started the recording it was 2 p.m. Now it's 4:54. So this is the HP OMEN battery backup as they're promising. I think because I was watching YouTube in 1080p and connected to the Wi-Fi. Because of that, I think it drained so fast. Anyway, I'm not so worried about the draining anywhere, everywhere have the plug, so we can just plug in and play. Anyway, it's a gaming laptop. I'm not going to play without plugging it. I think the screen is 144 hertz. I didn't change it to 60. If you reduced that to 60 also, so it's completely off. 3 hours, that was the time, guys. When we started it was 2 o'clock. Now it is 5 p.m. That's our review, guys. This is the battery backup of HP Omen 15. Now I will charge it again and use it. See you guys in the next video. Give a like if you like this video.